In last video we discussed how to convert degree into radian. Now in this video we are discussing that how to convert a radian to degree. So here is a radian, that pi upon 3. Whenever we convert radian into degree, we just multiply 180 upon pi. Remember that thing. Whenever we convert radian to degree, we multiply this unit by 180 upon pi. Let's solve. So we write pi upon 3. So now we multiply pi upon 3 multiply by 180 upon pi. So now pi and pi cancel. 3 1 the 3, 3 6 the 18 and 0. So it's equals to 60 degree. So 60 degree is our answer. Pi upon 3 is equals to 60 degree. Here is another problem, that's 7 pi upon 3. So we write 7 pi upon 3. This is a radian unit. We convert this into degree. We just multiply this with 180 upon pi. So now pi and pi cancel. 3 1 the 3, 3 6 the 18. So 60, 0 as it same. So now we multiply 7 multiply by 60 is equals to 0 and 7 6 the 42. So now here is another problem, that pi upon 2. How we convert pi upon 2 into degree? We just multiply by 180 upon pi. So we write pi upon 2. So now we write multiply 180 upon pi. So pi and pi cancel. 2 on the 2, 2 9 the 18 and 0 as it same. So here it's equals to 90 degree, and here it's equals to 420 degree, because we convert radian into degree. So it's a very simple trick.